How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and tops of the stock market. I know a lot of people are probably really frustrated with ALLR, and I want to give my update on this stock, my analysis, what my strategy is at. So if you guys are a member and subscribed, you can see kind of like the viewpoint, but obviously to get the best, education and my constant updates of me revising this system, you are going to have to join the premium Discord, which looks like this. It's a premium Discord of only $6 a month. It's not going to kill you guys. Just don't go to a Starbucks for one day and you'll be fine. And you'll get like my exact entries and exits on stocks and have the system for yourself to see real time. So this is ALLR. The last time I traded with the team, I have proof in the Discord way back, was back here. And so this was January, February, March. This was April, yes. So price was consolidating. I like to see it. We were below the EMA 5 right in here, so it made a nice entry on these candles, and we were scalping in this thing like crazy. We were making 30% down in this region, and guess what price tends to do? It has to hit your EMA 10. So we do that and make beautiful returns from a low of 130s. And look what it does. It goes all the way up to your EMA 20 in here. If you guys don't know, the three middle bands are my EMAs. They are the most important thing, and I use it at a very unique way. I use it where my price targets, because price has to hit it. The question is, when does it hit it? And that's where we try to figure out the when factor. As you can see, price has not hit the EMA 20 in a very long time. The last time you hit it was right here before that big bounce. That was from March 12th. Guess where it hit it? This was May 2nd. Yeah. So March 12th to May 2nd, anything that don't touch it in 2 months is very long. So what does price tend to do? Bam! Rushes right to it and touches it. Went right past the EMA in there. So I like this trade because, one, we haven't touched the EMA 10 since over here. We were close to the bottom band. And the thing I liked here, if you hover over this candle and then look at this KDJ, the K was at a 2.16 after a reverse split of 1 for 20. And if you notice, there tends to be massive moves after the reverse split, as we've seen, for example, ACAN. What a beautiful trade here. Obviously, it's going to go down some, but it was up 100%. They had the reverse split and then move up. Those aren't really the setups I look to trade, because it could go definitely down after the reverse split like ALLR did. So what's the price action right now? I know there's a lot of people wanting to get in. First things first, we only enter below the EMA 5. This is the purple band here. As you can see, price tends to hit their head on it on a downtrend stock. You will see right here, everyone gets excited. So they buy ALR up in the 83 cents, or some bought. I know a lot of people probably bought it after this big move down. But this right here gets everyone excited. But we need to get a couple bounces, at least two on the EMA 5. We hit the EMA 5 here, we go down. We hit it right here, what happens? We go down. What we want to look for is the main thing of, first off, is time distance. We need more time distance on the 10 and 20. 10 is looking a little better. We hit it at the May 6th. It is May 24th. We almost have 1 month of time distance. So if you really wanted to be very conservative in your gains, you could target the EMA 10, which is at 67 cents right now, because we know it's going to hit it. But we want to make sure we have kind of a big enough room for that. Honestly, 57 cents to 68 or 67 is really not that big of a gain. What I do like to see is my lower band, which is where I look for the best entries. This is curling up trying to get to the price. So ALLR, at this valuation, it is extremely undervalued, but we want to make sure we are getting the nice technical patterns. As you can see right in here, we hit the EMA 5 and we revert away from it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and then the 6th day we hit it again. So if you're using this, you can make pretty decent gains. Here was a 10% return. So we want to make sure we at least getting about 3 to 4 days of not hitting the EMA 5, because we don't have the time distance on EMA 10. I know this might sound very confusing. EMA is your exponential moving average. It is where price will correct to. A lot of people use it in very different ways than me. They look for the crosses and all that, uptrends. have all the EMAs going up, downtrends have it going down. We know it has to retest, as that creates a balance in the price and reversion to the mean. So do I like ALLR? It's setting up pretty nice. Not gonna lie, we have a bottom here that it religiously kept testing before this little move up. Right in here, you can see the bottom. It's just religiously testing. So could you take a shot at it? Sure, right here. Put a stop loss right under it at 54 cents. It is looking like a nice bottoming area, as I do like to see these candles here. Obviously, the best entry was down here when we haven't touched the EMA5 for a bit, and we go all the way up. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. I tried to make it quick. It's not my favorite stock. I'll tell you that. There's a lot of other stocks I'm looking at that are honestly in a way better position, but this I do think we can get some nice gains off of this. If you guys want to join the premium Discord of only 20 cents a day or $6 a month, this is where I want you all to look at this, because I look at stocks like ALLR, and in the past it made over 100% move because we got in with the time distance on the strategy that we liked it. But the problem is, I see it with CTNT, ALR. They make these big moves up, and then everyone's late to the party. The stock comes down, and it goes down below the actual pump, and everyone's bag holding, and you will see that all the time with penny stocks. Don't get caught into the hype, the hopium, that a stock can keep going up, because these are going to dump, right? So, this is reversal trading. I do trend reversals. If you want to join, click the link down below into the YouTube comments. I will post a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Let me get rid of this guy. So, and what happens is, when you get to the free chat landing page, you want to head on over to the subscriptions. Where the subscriptions tab is over here, and this is where all the education is going to be. This is where all the meat and potatoes, where you get to see my entries and all that, where you're going to learn the most. Because being a part of the community, I miss a lot of trades because I just didn't see it. There's thousands of stocks to look for, and a lot of people are looking for, like NCPL, that went massive. I would have never known about it if you didn't do some DD on it. So if you join the premium chat, it will opt you to subscribe. It is cheaper if you do it on a computer than on your phone. If you do it on your computer, you avoid the iOS fee, because Discord is in the Apple Store, so they charge a little fee for Apple to get. It's not that much, but the main thing is, what I really want to reiterate, I'm only charging $6 so anybody can join and not worry about the fees. Trading is hard. We all know that. Everyone has lost money. We want to make sure we find a system that can get us consistent returns so we stay ahead of the game. Because it's not really about, how much money you're making. A lot of people will make a lot of money, as you can see in the meme stock rallies, and then they probably lost it all because they didn't have a system. They didn't have a system on how to keep those gains, and they didn't have a system where low risk, high reward. We want to make sure we're getting these entries at the bottom. ALLR is setting up for a bottom reversal. We never want to buy it when it just hit all the EMAs and it's starting to come down after this big pump. So that's my thing around it. So if you want to join, it's $6 a month. You're going to love it. I promise you. You're going to learn a lot. For the price, it has probably the best values, and I've been in tons of Discords, and I lost money, right? So this Discord's different. You're going to get transparency. On my RTK swing trades, you get my entries and exits. On my education videos, you get how to properly accumulate reversals, my indicator settings, RTK journal. This is something new I added. You can see my actual entries with my you can see my actual stocks with my wins and losses with my averages. You never have to say what stock I'm in. It's all recorded in the journal. So hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about it. It's one of the most unique strategies I can really think about, guys. It took me a long time, and over 10 years I've been trading this strategy, but I've been doing for over 6 years, and it's the only one that has made me profitable. So I want to share it out because I know it works, and I know a lot of you guys can make money and be financial free and get that income you need, right? And over time, this is what it's going to be. If you guys like the video, do give me a like and comment. I do read the comments, and I do like the likes, as it helps the videos share to other people. Thank you so much for watching. This is my analysis on ALLR. I will be in the premium Discord if you have any questions. Peace out and happy trading.